updates now coming in. This is in the Delhi riots bail plea hearing case at the Supreme Court. The ASG has played a video of Sharjeel Imam in the court. Now, this footage shows his alleged inflammatory speech that was presented before the judges today. So this is in the Delhi riots case pertaining to that. This video was played in the court. Legal editor Harish Nair joins us on the broadcast with the details. Harish, take us through the details of this video. When is it from? It was presented in court as the inflammatory speech from Sharjeel Imam.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. Dramatic developments during the bail hearing of Sharjeel Imam in a bid to bolster his point that it's not an ordinary case. This is a regime change operation which was led by Sharjeel Imam and Umar Khalid. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who had appeared for the Delhi police, has played a video in the courtroom for the benefit of the judges. Judges repeatedly, in fact, Justice Aravind Kumar repeatedly asked after hearing this his speeches in the video whether are these part of charge sheet. SG Raju said yes, these are part of the charge sheet. At this moment, we could hear Senior Advocate Siddharth Dave, who appeared for Sharjeel Imam, protesting that all this should not be allowed. This is only a bid to prejudice the hearing. ASG Raju said that the court should see why we are opposing the bail. Just because he has spent 5 years in jail does not mean that he should be granted bail. The offense he is charged with is very serious, trying to incite communal violence, divide communities. And also, remember the ASG has been saying that, talking about a regime change attempt, and also timing of the riots when Donald Trump was in the country, saying that it was an attempt to malign the image of the country internationally. And in fact, some of the videos, ASG went on to say that in that video, Sharjeel Imam says that Assam will be separated from India. Chicken neck belongs to Muslims. In Triple Talaq, Muslim men are being sent to jail. Delhi will be made like Kashmir. He's called for Chakka Jam, called to paralyze the country, stop milk in areas. So the hearing continues even as we are speaking. 2 o'clock is the time when the Supreme Court will continue to hear this matter. So ASG Raju trying to reinforce this argument that this is not an ordinary crime. It was not a regular ordinary protest. It was an attempt at regime change. It was a regime change operation to disturb the internal security, internal harmony and international standing of India. So ASG Raju making attempts to show the kind of inflammatory statements made by Sharjeel Imam during the Delhi riots, which triggered the riots, which fanned, in fact, communal violence during the 2020 Delhi riots, and goes on to say that just because he has spent 5 years in jail, even before the trial has begun, it does not mean that he should be granted bail. This should not be seen as an ordinary offense. This is a crime against sovereignty, unity, and integrity of the country.
Okay, all right. Dramatic developments in the court. Proof or evidence of Sharjeel Imam giving this inflammatory speech being provided in the court. Dramatic developments there. Harish, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details.